Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix there's a billing problem with a previous purchase. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So if you're encountering a billing problem with a previous purchase, you will need to take a few steps to resolve the issue. So here's a general outline of what you can do. First, check your payment information. Verify that the payment information associated with your account is accurate. Make sure your credit card or payment method details are up to date. Review purchase history. Look into your purchase history to identify the specific transaction that's causing the billing problem. This will help you understand the details of the issue. Now contact customer support. Reach out to the customer support team of the platform or service you made the purchase from. Explain the issue and provide them with relevant details such as the transaction ID, date of purchase, and any error messages you've encountered. Payment provider assistance. If the issue is related to a credit card or payment method, you may need to contact your bank or payment provider to ensure that there are no issues on their end. Resolve payment issues. Depending on the nature of the billing problem, the customer support team might guide you through the steps to resolve the issue. This could involve updating your payment method, retrying the payment, or addressing any technical glitches. Check for refunds or charges. If you were charged incorrectly or face double charges, inquire about the possibility of refunds or adjustments. Check for account suspension. Sometimes, billing issues can lead to temporary account suspensions. If you find that your account is suspended, work with customer support to understand the situation and resolve the billing problem. Be patient. Resolving billing problems can sometimes take time, especially if it involves coordination between different parties. Stay patient and follow up regularly if needed. And lastly, document communications. Keep a record of your communications with customer support, including dates, times, and the names of the representatives you've spoken to. This can be helpful if the issue takes time to resolve it or if you need to escalate the matter. Remember that the specific steps you need to take can vary depending on the platform or service you are dealing with. Always follow the instructions provided by customer support and maintain open lines of communication to ensure that the issue is resolved as quickly and smoothly as possible. Okay? And once you've followed these steps, you should be able to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!